know how to do the triangle congruence?
You have subscribed to the right channel, and in this video, we are going to teach you how to.
Triangle congruence is significant for us as junior high school students. You wanna know why?
Learning about triangle congruence is important simply because we can use it in the future as senior high school students and college students,
Especially to those people who will take courses related to mathematics.
And this is how you do it. We have given this diagram to help us solve our problems. These are the given. Line segment LI is perpendicular to line segment IA. Line segment DA is perpendicular to line segment IA, and N is the midpoint of IA.
Let's see our diagram. You'll see two right angles. We need to prove that triangle LIN is congruent to triangle DAN.
By the way, this would be our if and then statement, which states that if line segment LI is perpendicular to line segment IA, line segment DA is perpendicular to line segment IA, and N is the midpoint of IA, then triangle LIN is congruent to triangle DAN. We need a two-column proof to solve it, just like the one you can see on the screen, which consists of factual statements written in a logical order to prove something.
Your first statement would be line segment LI is perpendicular to line segment IA, and the reason is given. Just as with the second statement, which is line segment DA is perpendicular to line segment IA. The third statement is angle LIA and angle DIA are right angles. Let's look again in the diagram. As you can see, there are two right angles, which are angles LIA and angle DAI. If you'll also observe that triangle LIN and triangle DAN are right triangles, and that would be your fourth statement. The third reason would be definition of perpendicular lines, and the fourth will be definition of right triangles, because in the diagram it forms right angles and triangles. For the fifth statement, which is N is the midpoint of line segment IA, your reason would be, again, given. Moving on to the next slide, your next statement is line segment IN is congruent to line segment AN. Your reason would be definition of midpoint, because it shows how the line is divided into two equal parts. The next one would be angle INL and angle AND are vertical angles. The reason is definition of vertical angles, because based on the diagram, there are angles that are opposite to each other made by two intersecting lines. Down to our second last.
The eighth statement, which states that angle INL is congruent to angle AND. Your reason would be vertical angle theorem, which states that vertical angles are always congruent. Now up to our last statement, which is triangle LIN is congruent to triangle DAN, and the reason or ended proof is HOA theorem, because the hypotenuse and one actual angle of a triangle is congruent to the other triangle. So let's look at our final two-column proof. Yay! Now, there you have it. The art of triangle congruence using the two-column proof. Hope you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Bye!